Let's get straight to the video and look at 5 specific perennials you can start this February that are fast enough to flower in their very first growing season. First on the list is the Arizona Sun Blanket Flower, a compact variety specifically bred to rush from seed to flower in a single season. Starting these seeds indoors in February is the ultimate cheat code because it gives the plant the 12 to 15 weeks of growth it needs to reach blooming size before summer even hits. By sowing them now in a warm, bright spot, you ensure that the plant develops a sturdy crown and deep roots, bypassing the usual 1-year waiting period common with most perennials. Once you move your Arizona Sun into the garden in late spring, the maintenance is remarkably simple. These plants thrive on heat and neglect, meaning they only require occasional watering and a sunny spot to begin their relentless blooming cycle. As summer progresses, your only job is to occasionally deadhead the spent flowers to signal the plant to keep producing new ones. Because you started in February, the plant will have the structural strength to maintain a tight, mounded shape, even when it is completely covered in fiery red and yellow blossoms. In the landscape, Arizona Sun provides a high-impact burst of desert-inspired color that lasts from June until the first hard frost. Its short stature makes it a perfect edging plant for sunny backyard borders or rock gardens. The result of your February start is a perennial that behaves like a hard-working annual, giving you an established, colorful look in your very first year of gardening. Next up is Coreopsis Early Sunrise, a variety that earned its name by being one of the first perennials capable of blooming just months after sowing. February is the strategic time to get these seeds into trays because they require a long indoor lead time to build up the energy for their massive double gold flowers. By starting them now, you are essentially tricking the plant into thinking it is already in its second year, allowing it to bypass the foliage-only phase that usually defines a perennial's first season. As the season transitions to spring, your care involves hardening off the seedlings and transplanting them into well-drained soil. Once they hit the garden, Early Sunrise is a workhorse that requires very little fuss, other than full sun and the occasional trim. If the plant looks like it's slowing down in mid-summer, a quick shearing with garden scissors will trigger a brand new surge of growth and a second heavy flush of gold. Because you started in February, the plant will have a massive root system that can easily support this rapid regrowth without losing its momentum. In the landscape, Early Sunrise acts as a brilliant, sun-drenched filler that brings movement and light to any border. Its semi-double flowers provide a layer of texture that single-petal varieties can't match. By following this February to summer plan, you'll have a dense, golden carpet of flowers that makes your new garden bed look like it has been established for years. Coming in at number 3 is the Goldsturm Black-Eyed Susan, a perennial staple that is surprisingly fast when started indoors during the winter chill. Starting Goldsturm in February allows the plant to form a substantial root ball and a thick rosette of leaves before the heat of July arrives. This early indoor start is vital because it ensures the plant has the sheer size and energy reserves necessary to send up its iconic yellow and black flower stalks in its first August. Throughout the spring and early summer, your care routine is mostly focused on moisture management. Goldsturm prefers a consistently damp but well-drained spot to grow its best. As the summer sun intensifies, the plant becomes incredibly self-sufficient, requiring minimal water once the roots have settled into the ground. Because you started in February, the plant will be far more stable and less likely to flop over when it reaches its full 2-foot height in late summer. In the landscape, Goldsturm provides a bold, professional-looking mass of color that defines the late summer garden. Its classic daisy shape and dark centers create a sophisticated contrast against purple salvias or ornamental grasses. The result of your early preparation is a reliable, high-energy perennial that brings a sense of completion to your backyard borders in record time. Moving on to our fourth plant, we have Salvia Blue Queen, famous for producing deep purple spikes in its very first year. Selling these seeds indoors in February gives the plant the head start needed to form a dense base before the blooming trigger kicks in. By starting now, you ensure you are planting a well-branched plug ready to explode with color as soon as the weather warms. Once in the garden, cutting the plant back by half after the first bloom fades will encourage a second or even third round of flowers. Because you started in February, the plant will have a massive root system that can easily support this rapid regrowth. This maintenance keeps the salvia looking tidy and prevents it from becoming leggy during the humid months of August. In the landscape, Blue Queen provides a reliable source of vertical color that attracts bees and hummingbirds. Its deep violet spikes create a stunning, cool contrast against the hot colors of other summer perennials. Your February to fall plan results in a manicured border that stays productive for nearly 6 months of the year. Finally, we have the Silver Princess Shasta Daisy, a dwarf variety specifically developed for its speed and compact habit. February is the best time to start these seeds indoors because they need that window of protection to build a crown strong enough to support large blossoms. Starting them now ensures they skip the juvenile phase and move straight into their adult blooming cycle by midsummer. As the season progresses, your care involves simply keeping the soil moderately moist in a sunny location. Unlike taller daisies, Silver Princess does not require staking, making it a very low-maintenance choice for the front of a border. Because you started in February, the plant will have established a thick mound of dark green leaves that perfectly frames the bright white flowers. In the landscape, Silver Princess brings a sense of timeless elegance and cleanliness to your garden beds. Its compact size makes it ideal for small backyards or container gardening where space is at a premium. Your February prep delivers a sturdy, cheerful perennial that provides a massive visual impact in its very first year. Getting blooms in your first year isn't about luck, it's about starting in February. With these 5 perennials, you can stop waiting and start enjoying your dream garden this summer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.